So, hi, good afternoon to all. Here I, Shankar Naik, represent you all the reaction mechanism problems which I see many problems faces different type of problems related to this. So, without wasting time, let us begin the topic. So, our first problem is that's an acetaldehyde in the presence of NaCN. Okay, so here our problem. So need to find out the what will be the solution. So first of all, what we need to know that what is the attacking reagent, that is NaCN, which attacks at the carbonyl compound, that is acetaldehyde. So let's begin. So first of all, okay, when reacts at this position, sorry, change this, okay, this position, then this become okay, this is called the tetrahedral intermediate, which is all known that the tetrahedral intermediate are unstable to handle out. So further we have given that HCl, which is means H2, which is in acidic medium, and with H2O, that is a solvent. We know that it is a polar protic solvent. So what will happen, CH3, this will be our final product. Okay, so let's move on to the second questions. What we have to do, second one is obviously on the carbonyl compound, that is our acetaldehyde in the presence of a Grignard reagent and tetrahydrofuran, and second is our solvent H2O, that is a polar protic solvent. So what to need you to do, so whether we see the questions, then we have to figure out what the questions demand. So let's move on. Obviously we'll know what will be the result, so let's move on. Then here we have this reacts with methyl lithium, that is a organometallic compound. So what will happen, this bond will react with this, so it's like above reaction, this will react with this, then a tetrahedral intermediate will be formed. So here goes this, here Me and here H, then we have THF and H2O. So this will be our final result. Then move on to the third question. Third question says, it's a OH this. So what will you do? There is no reagent, no solvent method. So what will we do? This is the topic which we need to discuss. So what will to do? We know oxygen have the lone pair. So first of all we have to rearrange it such a manner. Okay, so we have oxygen lone pair which attack at this position, and this goes to this, which gives okay. So as the oxygen give its lone pair, so it have the positive charge and it also have the H. Okay, so what will be oxygen having the positive charge? We know that the more electronegative atom having the positive charge is very highly unstable. So what will happen? The oxygen atom which having negative charge will give up the this, and this bond is break to this. So what will be our final product? This is a 5-membered ring. Okay, so this will be our first 3 questions. Hope that must be clear. So let's move on to the second question, which we have 4th question. So 4th questions demand us that this organometallic compound and THF, that is the solvent, you can know it very well. So what will happen? As like before, this is our ester group. So as when organometallic reagent attacks at this position, then we just like before we have done this in a very well manner. So here Me, here OCS. But what will we do in next? We know that a very well known topic is called leaving group. What is leaving group? That has the tendency, when it leaves the compound, it is stable. When it leaves the compound, it becomes stable. So this is called our leaving group. So in this compound is our leaving group. So in further step, what will be happen? This moves to this and this, and what is our final product? This is our ketone. Okay, so let's move on to our 5th question. 5th question tell you that HCO ने 23 डिग्री सेल्सियस के प्रेजेंस में वो हीट कर रहा है और 6 आवर रिएक्शन प्रोसीड हो रहा है 6 आवर में. तो उसके बाद हम आगे बढ़ते हैं कि क्या होता है. तो as before, okay, so this part, okay, reaction, this and this goes to this. So Okay, here is our the attacking product. Second, then we all know that Cl is a halogen family group, halogen family. So whenever we at this time this will occur, a better living group. So we get our desired product. So let's move on to the sixth question. Sixth question tell us that a very simple question. It's ammonia. It's the presence of ammonia. Then H2O at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 hour reaction time. So what will be our product? Then move on to the solution part. What we get? So we know very well that nitrogen have the lone pair, so it attacks at this position and this position. So Cl and N, after giving the lone pair, it becomes the positive charge on the nitrogen atom. So H. Okay, so what will happen then? We know nitrogen is a more electronegative atom, so an electronegative atom having the positive charge is highly unstable, so H gives it electron to the N to becomes it stable. So Me, so this Cl and becomes an H2. And what will happen with this? Sorry. This will be our desired product. Hope this video must be helpful to you. So stay connected and have a good day. Bye.